many?
Hundreds. A whole island full.
I wouldn't worry about it. My men are hunting them down as we speak. They won't know where you're hiding, I promise you that.
Oh, yes, they will. They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup? He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No. Sorry.